in between, if there is any opportunity to get our funds back. So could you please explain me about those opportunities, or how can we get those back?
So one opportunity is the buyback offered by the company itself, right?
Okay.
So like I recently told about in the same meeting, 2 exits happened. One in 2 months, 50% profit. That is experiential. That is talent gum. And another happened in 6 months, experiential ETC. So investors got the opportunity to sell back the equity. They have received the funds back to their bank account at 50% appreciation in 6 months and 2 months respectively. So this opportunity is available in case you want to sell off your equity before the next round of funding. You let us know. What we'll do is we'll circulate among all the investors, and like I said, we'll just charge 2% of the deal amount.